Janitronics started services in March of 1972. Our work is daily. It's not once in a while. Systems have to perform on a daily basis. When we do execution and delivery of service, and we do it with a trained employee and a caring employee who can make decisions in the building when they need to, it has to be done right. And with that kind of driving force, we're constantly talking about cleaning based on science research. We want our salespeople, we want our executives, we want our managers to be able to understand the science of cleaning so they can talk about it in the various forums they get exposed to.
The focus of our company was to find a way to validate through third parties our quality systems. We struggled for years. We looked at the Malcolm Baldrige Award. We looked at different quality processes and quality awards and really couldn't find one to settle on. And then about 10 years ago, we were one of the first companies in the country to qualify under the SIMS category, Cleaning Industry Management System, under ISSA, International Sanitary Supply Association. And also all of our executives are BSCAI certified. And we use the third-party validation to help us make our company better, always looking for best practices.
You mind your business, we'll keep it clean, was a slogan that I put together maybe after 4 or 5 years in business. In today's situation, it's really spot on because that is what we do. We relieve organizations from the task of maintaining their buildings, worrying about it, hiring people, training people, buying equipment, so on and so forth. We do all that for them, and we report to them as though we're a department of that organization. And we say to the customer, go run your business. You're good at what you do. You're better than anybody else in your field. That's our core business. It's not your core business. You just go ahead and run your business, and we'll take care of the cleaning.